Bonjour.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va?
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
madame.
Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Ça va bien,
Ça va
merci.
bien, merci.
Très bien.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va, Ria? Ça va. Okay, all of you keep your cameras on. Oui. Oui.
French book.
French notebook, right? I will check. I will check now.
Madam,
Oui.
madam, in the PDF, you
Not able to hear, Abel. Your mic is muted.
ma'am, you did not write Jaguar in the PDF.
Jaguar. Jaguar is because in French and it's the same. No, so I didn't write the meaning.
Ma'am, no.
I know that I skipped it. Purposefully skipped it. Okay. Okay, all of you keep your cameras on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oui, bonjour, Gauri.
Good morning, ma'am.
Gauri, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Varada, Ail,
Bonjour,
Dia,
madam.
Laya, keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, I am ready with the note.
I will check. Before attendance, I will be checking today. Sure. So we were on lesson 0. Lesson 0, we started. Bienvenue en France. Qu'est-ce que c'est bienvenue en France? Bienvenue en France. Oui, bienvenue en France means welcome to France. D'accord. And Dido is welcoming you to see France. Wait. Can you all see the screen? Can you all see the screen? Oui, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, in the Mona Lisa, Spain, the France, right?
Yes, we are about to see that. Okay. So then after that, we learned 4 major cities of France. First one is Paris. First one is Paris, where we have the Eiffel Tower, and Paris is the capital city of France. And also one more thing.
Ma'am, no, Eiffel Tower, right?
Both we'll pronounce. In French,
Our
there is
Eiffel.
pronunciation. Both. Okay. And there is one more thing. There is a river passing through Paris. The name of that river is Seine. The name of that river is Seine, not Eiffel Tower here. There is a river passing through Paris. The name of that river is Seine. S-E-I-N-E. That is a spelling. S-E-I-N-E. River passing through Paris. That's a river passing through Paris. Seine. River passing through Paris. D'accord. Ensuite, then what's the second city we learned? Lyon. Oui. Then third one? Marseille. Then fourth one? Bordeaux. Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux. Then we learned the French flag. We saw the French flag. What will we see called for the French flag? Drapeau français. Drapeau français. It's not français. Français. Drapeau français. Oui. Who's calling?
Ma'am.
Oui.
Ma'am, John Daniel is present. I was little late.
I didn't take the attendance yet, dear. Wait. Okay, the last only I will take the attendance. Ensuite, then we learned the colors also. First one, bleu. Blue in French is bleu. Then white.
Blanc.
White in French is blanc. Then rouge. Oui. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Paris. Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux. Drapeau français. Bleu. Blanc. Rouge. Once again, Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux, Drapeau français, bleu, blanc, rouge. Prajwal, read Prajwal.
Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux, Drapeau français, bleu, blanc, rouge.
D'accord. What is the name of the river passing through Paris? Seine. Seine. D'accord. D'accord. Then we move to the next page. Bonjour, mes amis. What is the meaning? Bonjour, mes amis.
Hello, friends.
Hello, friends. Good morning, my friends. And here we are going to see the famous things from Paris. We started this page and I told you the word, the country, the word France is taken from a Latin word called Francia, and that means the country of France. Francia means the country of France. And we saw the first word here, few famous things we were learning here. So first one is fromage. Fromage means cheese. Fromage means cheese, and the cheese are very famous from France. There are many famous cheeses, and the first there are many few names I will tell you. Camembert, Le Roquefort, Le Brie, Le Gruyere. These are the names of the few famous cheese from France. Wait, someone was calling me.
I have some types of cheese, but I don't think those are from France.
France. You can see the names. Just Google search the names and see whether it is from France or not. D'accord. Ensuite, then we saw escargot. Qu'est-ce que c'est escargot?
Snail.
Snail. Escargot means snail. The French love to eat snails. Then we saw the shape. What is that shape? Hexagon. Hexagon.
It's the nickname of France.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Oui, Shreya, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, for the hexagon, the last N is silent or not?
L is not silent.
Okay, ma'am.
Because after that N there is E. So we can pronounce that N. D'accord? Hexagon is hexagon in English, and hexagon is the nickname of France, and that's because of its shape. Ensuite, Tour de France. Next one,
The cycle race in.
Oui, Tour de France is the cycle race, bicycle race in France, which occurs every year in France. Tour de France, bicycle race, which consists of 21 stages. This bicycle race consists of like a festival itself. 21 stages is there for this, which consists of 21 stages. One stage each day, one stage per day, one level per day. That is how this bicycle race happens. And this bicycle race will last for total 23 days. For a total 1 month, almost 1 month program. Okay, so this is also very famous. This happens every year in France. Even tourists also go especially to be part of this bicycle race. Then parfum. Parfum. Oui. Parfum means perfume. Parfum is perfume. Perfumes are also very famous from France. The most famous name of the perfume from France is Chanel. Chanel. If you want, you can write. No need to learn the name now. I just wrote it for your knowledge. Next year we will learn this names. Okay. For now, this year you don't have to learn the names. Chanel is the name of the perfume from France. Then next, baguette. Qu'est-ce que c'est baguette? Anyone knows?
Bread.
We baguette we say French bread. Baguette we say French bread. This bread is very tasty. It is, as you can see in the picture, this bread.
Ma'am, it's not like a normal bread we eat. It's very thick, and some people will use that sandwich.
This French bread is very long, as you can see in the picture, and it is thin. It is crispy and hard from outside, and inside it will be a little bit soft. crispy bread, hard bread from outside, long and thin. Baguette. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Baguette. Baguette.
Like a coconut.
Like
Coconuts outside will be hard, inside will be
not that coconut, that hard.
Example, Mama, I just said
Example, okay. Okay, but not that hard. D'accord. Ensuite, répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Fromage.
Fromage.
Escargot.
Escargot.
Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Parfum. Baguette.
Baguette.
Fromage.
Fromage.
Escargot.
Escargot.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Parfum.
Parfum.
Baguette.
Baguette.
Fromage.
Fromage.
Escargot.
Escargot.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Parfum.
Parfum.
Baguette.
Baguette.
D'accord. Isra, read.
Fromage, escargot, hexagon, parfum, Tour de France,
Tour de France.
Tour de France, baguette.
Très bien, Isra. Ensuite, Adinath.
Fromage, escargot, hexagon, tour de
Not hexagon. H will be silent. Hexagon.
hexagon, tour de France, parfum, baguette.
Très bien, Adinath. Parvati. Parvati.
Ma'am, can I read very
Parvati, read.
Fromage,
I think she is having network issue. Parvati is having network issue. Varada, you can read.
fromage, escargot, Tour de France,
Tour de France.
Tour de France, hexagon,
Hexagon.
hexagon, parfum, baguette.
D'accord. See, all of you keep your cameras on. Muhammad Amil, Gauri, Ail, Laya, Ebrid, Diya Manoj,
Ma'am, can I read?
Viraj, wait. All of you keep your cameras on. Otherwise, no attendance.
Ma'am.
Wait. We Laya, I know
Madam,
you are
Leia.
Laya, you see
Camera
having
problem.
issue, camera problem, I know. Others.
Not camera problem. I am
Then?
sick, ma'am. I am sick.
Now you are sick. Okay, because of that. Muhammad Amil, Ail. Otherwise, I will not give attendance. Amil. Anselin, Ail.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, my camera is already on.
Ma'am, I am looking this page in my textbook.
Ma'am,
On-suit, Ebrit, read.
ma'am, my camera is already on.
No, it's showing off here. Ebrit, read. Ebrit, unmute and read.
I have a doubt.
Where is he?
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait. Ebrit, read.
And I have a doubt.
Wait, I will give you chance to ask your doubt. Ebrit, read. If you're going to keep your mouse closed, then fine, you can be like this. I won't give you attendance if you are not trying. We answering, or you can ask your doubt.
Ma'am, can you repeat the snail?
Escargot.
Ma'am, can you repeat Tour
de France.
Tour de France.
Oui.
Tour de
Fromage, escargot, hexagon, Tour de France, parfum, baguette. D'accord? Jaswin, read. Jaswin.
Mars, escargot, hexagon, tour de France, parfum,
baguette.
baguette.
D'accord. Then move into the next page.
Can you read again?
Read.
Ma'am, can you read?
Adidev, read.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Fromage, escargot, hexagon, tour de France, parfum, baguette.
D'accord. Très bien. Henry.
Fromage, escargot, hexagon, France, parfum,
Baguette.
baguette.
D'accord. Move into the next topic. Here, page number 12. 12. Page 12. Page 12. 12. First one. Festival de Cannes. Festival de Cannes is also known as Cannes is name in French. It is Cannes Festival. It is International Film Festival. It was earlier known as International Film Festival. Festival de Cannes.
I cannot see. You can share again that. Now I can see. Now I can see.
This is international. Earlier, it was known as International Film Festival, which started from about 1946. This occurs, organizes in every year. This film festival is organizing in every year, started from 1946. Festival de Cannes. And this year, in this film festival, they will show documentaries, movies, short stories, everything in all kinds, all genres, all languages they will show here, especially to show the talents of the people. This one, Festival de Cannes. And Cannes is another city in France. So we learned already 4 cities. So you can add one more here, 5th one, another city is Cannes. How will you pronounce it? Cannes. Ending letter S will be silent.
Cannes.
Ending letter S will be silent. Festival de Cannes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shiva.
Ma'am, there's a film I saw in Cannes. There's a film.
You gone there for the festival?
No, ma'am. I saw a film in which they showed
Cannes Film Festival.
Yes,
d'accord. Festival de Cannes. Cannes is another city in France. Ensuite, you can see the next one. What is this? Tour Eiffel. D'accord? Tour Eiffel. And Tour Eiffel is the tallest structure in France, in Paris. Tallest structure in Paris, France. And this Tour Eiffel consists of 3 floors. There are 3 floors in this Tour Eiffel. There are 2 restaurants in this. 2 restaurants. There are 8 elevators. Okay, 3 floors are there in this tower, and there is 2 restaurants in it. 8 elevators are also there in this Tour Eiffel. If you go on top of this and you see down, you will be able to see the entire Paris city. Beautiful Paris, you will be able to see. And this is exactly in the center of Paris. Exactly in the center of Paris. Then, next one. What is this one? Next picture. Mona Lisa picture, Mona Lisa painting, Joconde. The painting, the name of this painting is Joconde. Mona Lisa painting, Joconde. Do you know who drew this one? Who painted this one?
Mama, I know that person, but I
Yes, Mom, I also know.
but I forgot his name.
I knew it.
Okay, this one is prepared by famous Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci.
Yes, ma'am, that's only.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Leonardo da
I
Vinci.
also knew that
Leonardo da Vinci.
ma'am, he has 190 IQ points
Yes,
as
he
his
is.
genius.
Ma'am, he was a secret type of man only because in his diary he put a left to right only like Arabic words.
D'accord. Ensuite, so this painting is there now in France. Where in France?
Art museum.
Not
Museum.
there, not an art museum. Now there it is a Musée du Louvre. Musée du Louvre. Louvre Museum. Musée du Louvre is Museum of Louvre. Louvre is also another city in France. Louvre is also another city in France. There we have this museum, Musée du Louvre. There we have this painting, Joconde, Mona Lisa painting.
Glass. Ma'am, in a bulletproof glass.
How will you spell the museum?
Museum. Musée du Louvre is a museum. Ensuite, next, Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte. Qui est ce? Qui est ce? Emperor of France. He is the first emperor of France. Napoleon Bonaparte. D'accord. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Tour Eiffel.
Tour Eiffel.
Joconde.
Joconde.
Musée du Louvre.
Musée du Louvre.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Napoleon
Bonaparte.
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Tour Eiffel.
Tour Eiffel.
Joconde.
Joconde.
Musée du Louvre.
Musée du Louvre.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
D'accord. Adidev Esnaye, try to read.
Okay. D'accord, madame. Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
S is
Tour
silent. It is
Eiffel.
not Cannes. Cannes.
Okay, ma'am. Festival de Cannes. Tour Eiffel. Joconde. Musée de Louvre. Joconde. Musée de Louvre. Napoleon
Bonaparte. Isra, read.
Festival de Cannes, Tour Eiffel, Joconde, Musée du Louvre, Napoleon Bonaparte.
D'accord, Isra. Shiva.
To the Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Not Cannes.
Tour Eiffel.
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes. Tour Eiffel. Ma'am,
We read.
Festival de Cannes. Tour Eiffel. Joconde. Napoleon Bonaparte. Musée du Louvre.
We, Eva.
Festival de Cannes. Tour
Not
Eiffel.
Cannes. All of you listen. It's not Cannes. S will be silent. Cannes.
Festival de Cannes. Tour Eiffel.
Tour Eiffel.
Joconde. Napoleon Bonaparte. Musée du Louvre.
D'accord. Marada.
Festival de Cannes,
Not.
Tour
Is it Cannes?
Cannes,
Cannes. We.
Tour Eiffel,
Hmm.
Joconde, Musée du
Louvre.
Louvre, Napoleon Bonaparte.
D'accord. Très bien. Now we are going to do the exercise in this chapter. Page number 13. Page 13. Page 13.
Ma'am, page number 13.
We. Page 13. Page number 13. Match the column. Gauri Nanda, first one. Fromage. Match. Gauri Nanda, unmute. Fromage. Unmute. Your mic is muted. Fromage
Yes,
will match with.
Once is matched with the cheese.
Cheese. Why are you thinking fromage means cheese? You don't know that?
I forgot it that one.
Forgot. Sinan, Muhammad Sinan, Tour de France. Muhammad Sinan, unmute. Tour de France. Bicycle race of France. Oui. Tour de France is bicycle race of France. D'accord. Ensuite, Anne-Maria, parfum.
Perfume.
Perfume. Parfum is perfume. Please remove those hand raise symbols from the screen, all of you. D'accord. Très bien. La Joconde. Jasmine. La Joconde. Qu'est-ce que c'est Joconde?
Painting.
Painting. Très bien. Très bien. Jasmine. Ensuite, Eva. Festival de Cannes.
Film festival.
Film festival. Escargot. Escargot Joseph. Escargot. Snail. Snail. Oui, d'accord. Moving to the next page here, you have to arrange the letters in order and find the French words. These words, the spellings are in jumbled order. You have to find the word. First one.
Ma'am, can I say the word?
We.
First one I got it.
Well, we. First one is?
Fromage.
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 First one is fromage.
Can I also tell the second word?
We. Second one?
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Then third one. Third one. No one got the third one?
No, ma'am. France.
France. We. Third one is France. Then fourth one. Fourth one.
Ma'am, you are not checking notes. Ma'am, you are not.
I will check. I will check. Fourth one.
1 minute, ma'am. That second one spelling, can you say, ma'am?
Not CN. Fourth one.
Ma'am, second one spelling, can you say?
Second one spelling is bienvenue. Spelling you don't know.
Ma'am, that is N or B.
Next one is perfume. Perfume.
Parfum. Oui, parfum. Second one spelling is Bienvenue.
Is the fourth one Paris?
Paris. Fourth one is Paris. Paris.
Ma'am, you are not checking notes.
I will try to check today itself. We'll try to finish this exercise today.
Ma'am, next one I completed full.
Next one you completed full. You have to find out the words from this grid.
Ma'am, I found all the words.
First one, to refill.
Yes, ma'am, I found. Ma'am, is there in the
Third line. Third line, to refill is there. Then next one you have to find escargot.
Yes, ma'am, I found it. Ma'am,
Escargot. Then third one, baguette.
I found the Bonaparte.
D'accord. Then Louvre is here. Louvre. Then Napoleon Bonaparte.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was not able to see Napoleon, but I definitely saw Bonaparte.
D'accord. Fromage is already marked there.
Ma'am, but when I draw it with pencil, it is not clear.
Draw with pencil only. Don't use pen. Don't use pen. You are not allowed to use pen.
But it is not clear.
Arfan, you are using pen. Arfan. You are not allowed to write in with your pen, Arfan. I told many times. Take a pencil. Shall we move to the next page, or you want time to write the answers?
I finished.
No, ma'am. I'm I'm still writing tour.
Past. Okay, right.
You can write it after the class, na? Simple.
Simple one, yes. These answers are very simple.
All of them.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Now,
Okay, moving to the next page. Can you guess? First one. I am the tallest structure in France.
ma'am, Tour Eiffel.
Tour Eiffel. Ensuite, I was the emperor of France.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Napoleon
Bonaparte.
Bonaparte. Ensuite, I am a beautiful river in France.
Seine.
Seine. Ensuite, I am long and thin, hard outside and soft inside.
Baguette.
Baguette. Ensuite, I am the most important city in France. I shelter the Eiffel Tower and other monuments. Paris. I am the French flag. I have 3 colors. Oui, drapeau français. Drapeau français. Drapeau français. Write down.
Finish, ma'am.
D'accord.
Drapeau français.
D'accord. Please mute. Don't simply. Only few minutes left, so I'll quickly take the attendance. Okay, we'll check your notebook in the next class.
Yeah, ma'am.
Donc, Adidev Nair, présent. Adinath M. Salvin, présent. Abel. Amaya KP. Yes, dear. I put present for you. Amaya KP. Absent. Amiel. Shaiju present. Annabelle. Absent. Anna and Maria.
Present, madam.
And Via. Absent. And Celine.
Present, madam.
Anubama.
Present, madam.
Fun.
Present,
Ail K. Chris.
ma'am, I'll get present, madam.
D'accord. Chris. Absent. Devdarshan. So Dia Manoj.
Present, madam.
Ebrit is not there. Absent. Eva Rose.
Present, madam.
Preso. Gauri Nanda PS Preso. Gauri Nandana G. Preso. Henry Preso. Isra Preso. Jeswin Preso. John Daniel Preso. Joseph Nihal Preso. Laya Preso. Muhammad Amil Preso. Muhammad Amil is present, right? Oui. Then Muhammad Sinan. Absent. Parvati.
Present, madam.
Preso. Prajwal Preso. Rohit Krishna.
Present, madam.
Sapna.
Present, madam.
Sarah Rose.
Present, madam.
Shreya.
Present, madam.
Shiva Preso. Varada Preso. Viraj. Viraj is present. Absent. D'accord.
Madam.
Okay. Oui.
Page number 16 is for sticking the stickers.
You can stick stickers if you want. See,
I already stick.
see here, you can find the stickers from the behind the textbook. Yeah, you can stick pictures here. Okay, it's time to end our session. All of you, we'll check your answers in the next class.
One thing I didn't say. One thing.
Or river.
Ma'am, what about the question number 5? Listen to and say which